Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have thought of doing a very interesting challenge, and look who's here with me.
Hi.
So he's Path and he's come here for some days to stay with me. So we are going to do staying in our balcony for 24 hours challenge. So we'll show you how we have transformed this balcony. So let's start with the video. That is our fan for tonight. And here we are going to sleep. We have all our pillows and bed sheets. We have all our cold drink and water and some snacks and our laptop on which we are going to watch Netflix. So let's start with the challenge. So अभी बजे है 4:59. So let's take it as 5. So कल शाम तक हमें 5 बजे तक यहीं पर रहना है. सो रूल्स विल बी ब्रश करने के लिए हम वॉशरूम यूज़ कर सकते हैं और अगर वॉशरूम में जाना है तो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट ओनली फॉर 2 मिनट्स में भी. और जो इस चैलेंज को हारेगा उसको एक वियर्ड सी मिल्क शेक पीनी पड़ेगी. सो वो बहुत मज़ेदार होगा अगर कोई हारा तो. और जो जीतेगा उसके लिए है चॉकलेट्स, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. ही लव्स चॉकलेट्स. सुपाट, आपको दिन भर क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
मुझको मोबाइल खेलना अच्छा लगता है, ऊनो खेलना अच्छा लगता है, जांगा खेलना अच्छा लगता है और बहुत कुछ खेलना अच्छा लगता है.
आप सिर्फ मोबाइल पर दिन भर क्यों बैठे रहते हो? आपके पास और कुछ काम नहीं? सब पढ़ाई छोड़ के आप मोबाइल पर ही बैठे रहते हो?
नहीं, कुछ दिन पढ़ाई करता हूँ मैं.
कुछ दिन मतलब कौन से दिन होते हैं वो? ब्लू मून होता है या ब्लैक मून होता है?
ब्लू मून होता है.
मतलब एक भी दिन नहीं. So guys, our friends just came and they went just now. It is 8:55 and we have successfully stayed over here for 4 hours now and we enjoyed it a lot. It was really fun. So we had pani puri, we played Uno, we played cards, we played Jenga, and we had lots and lots of fun. I couldn't record it because they were camera shy. So we will keep you updated. That is the moon, guys. I cannot capture it completely. It is 10:57, almost 11. And I'm thinking of quitting this challenge because I had a mental breakdown and I started crying. There were some reasons and I will have to do the punishment, that is drinking the weird milkshake that we had decided, the punishment. And he has also decided to come with me, meaning to leave this challenge in between, because obviously I cannot let him sit over here. So we will do the punishment tomorrow, but for now we have to clean all of this. To tell you, we had actually everything prepared over here, but due to the mental breakdown I I I couldn't take it and I started crying. So I thought it's better that I should stop it over here only, because I won't be able to continue it. Guys, we came out, I had a shower and we cleaned the balcony, and now we are in our room. We have our bed sheets laid now and we have AC. That's the best part. But the main reason, okay, wait, let me show you the time. It is 12:34. So the main reason for me to come over here is to talk about mental health. And mental health is something that is very important. And if you're feeling depressed, or if you're sad, or anything, if you're having anxiety or something, then do something that makes you feel lighter, or take a shower. That's what I did. My moods are either I'm very happy, or I'm angry, or I'll be crying. I will never show anyone if I'm crying. I'll just be, in a shower and cry, or just be lonely and cry. Now you will ask me why I just came out from the balcony. That was because whenever I cry, I just don't want people around me, and I had my brother with me, and it was very important for me to come out of it, because I cannot be in a state of just being sad or depressed. I need to do something that makes me feel happier, because I always like being that way. So yeah, that's just it. That's why I had to quit. I'm not ending the video over here, because tomorrow we are going to shoot the punishment video, where we will make the weird milkshakes, me and Parth, both of us, and we are going to show y'all how we do a punishment. So for now, good night, bye. Parth is playing over here with my phone, you can see. He just loves playing. So good night. But still, we managed to do. Today is the next day, and as we had told yesterday that we will do the punishment, both of us, as I quit and then he also quit with me. So we are going to do the punishment. So we have some cheats over here, some cheats. So we are going to select some ingredients, some as in 5 ingredients that will go in a milk, and we are going to drink this weird milkshake, and yeah, we will complete our punishment. So let's start by picking the cheats. So the first cheat is, if you can see, it says masala. So the very first one is, I think we are going to get very bad ingredients. So the second one, I will pick. Oh, which one you think? Okay, you save this, so let's go with this. Oh, yes! We got Hershey's. We got Hershey's, guys. So we have masala, Hershey's. Let's see what combination it gets. Okay, second is Hershey's. Third one. Okay. This one. Shit. Shit. Chili.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Green chili. Let's see, we still have hope. 2 more ingredients to go. 2 more ingredients. So you choose now. Shh. Choose. Hope this is good. Just hope it plays. Chuda.
Oh no.
Chuda. In a milkshake, chuda. Like seriously. Okay, this is the 4th ingredient. And the last one. Okay, I'll go with this one. Cake! Okay, we have 2 good ingredients. Cake and Hershey's. So now we'll come back with the milkshake and we have to drink it. So we are back with our milkshakes. The color is really chocolatey because there is cake and Hershey's in it, but we don't know the taste. The smell is also weird. Smell is weird. So let's drink. Yuck. You have to drink it. There is no other option. That masala and that chili is really, actually, we are going to at night. Seriously, we are not going to get sleep today. Up stomach is going to be like. Okay, I'm going to finish it in one go. What say? And then if we are getting any vomits and all, we will go and vomit. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, start. Hope you guys like this video, the 24 hours challenge and our punishment. It was really bad. So hope you enjoyed it. We will come back with many such challenges and comedy videos. So please stay tuned and
Please like, share and subscribe her channel.
and also comment your favorite part in this video. So see you in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys. See ya.
Ta-ta-da-da.
Ta-ta-da-da. Ta-ta-da-da.